हाय हेलो एंड अस्सलाम वालेकुम। कैसे हैं सब आप? उम्मीद है सब खैरियत से होंगे। टुडे आई एम टेलिंग यू अबाउट हाउ टू बर्न belly fat fast and easily. This is for beginners. Today I am telling you 5 easy steps to burn belly fat fast and easy. And I have discovered this just experience working with so many people for so many years, so I am going to break it down. I'm going to make it easy with all details of, because many people get overwhelmed with all the details of how to do keto. It's overcomplicated. Let me just show you 5 most important things to focus on, so you can be very successful right from the beginnings and not end up where a lot of people and they just can't seem to get past and certain point to. It's always people mistakes, so you don't have make them. And in this video I just want you to get a very important things. And the first tips is consume more green salad first. When it comes to leafy greens, you don't have to count carbs. You should consume at least 7 cups of salad per day. There are huge benefits of lowering your carbs, but there are also huge benefit of consuming nutrient dense foods. Consume this amount of salad can help reduce insulin resistance and give you more energy. And the second tip is take protein. Okay, the second tip is take protein. Start by consuming an amount of protein that is about the size of your hand. If you are bigger or younger, you could have more. If you are older and have a slow metabolism, then have less. If you have too much protein, it can slow down. But if you don't have enough, you feel tired. The key is to not consume low fat protein. And the third tip is consume fat. In the beginning, it is important to increase the amount of fat at each meal. The initial goal of the keto diet is not to jump into weight loss. It is help you to start intermittent fasting, like intermittent fasting. It is very important to do intermittent fasting with healthy keto. If you are do keto without fasting, you want to get into a deeper level of ketosis or fat burning. The combination of healthy keto and intermittent fasting is powerful fast fat burning, and you get easily lose your fat and get a healthier body. Fourth tip is nutrient. Take care of your nutrients in your body. Your body needs. When you are doing ketos and fasting, it is very important to include all the nutrients you need to prevent nutritional deficiencies in your body. You will need more vitamins B, electrolytes and sea salt. So you have to take care of your nutrients in your body in your meals to get lose your fat fast and easily. And the fifth tip is don't feel deprived. Your cognitive function, energy and mood are going to be improved. You are also going to lose weight. But if you miss certain players food, there are certain things you can have after your meal, like low carbs, chocolate or keto desserts. You can add your meal like keto desserts, chocolates, anything you want to eat to improve your mood and change your mood. You can add it. Okay, now I'm telling you one thing. If something is working, then do not change anything. If it is not working, it is time to change something. You do not wait to get healthy. You have to get healthy to lose your weight.